Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.29 from page number 70 of structure of atom. So let's read the statement. Using SPD notations, describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. You are having 4 problems and using SPD notations, you have to tell about the orbital which these quantum numbers are representing, right? So let's see the first problem. In this case, we are having the value of n equal to 1. So n represents the orbit or principal quantum number and L equal to 0. So L's value determines the orbitals. If I am having L equal to 0, it will represent s orbital. If the value of L equal to 1, it will represent p orbitals. If the value of L equal to 2, it will represent d orbitals. And if the value of L equal to 3, it will represent f orbitals. Now let's see this. N equal to 1, I'll take 1 as it is, and the value of L equal to 0. That means it will represent s orbital, right? Now this n equal to 1 and L equal to 0 will represent 1 s orbital, right? Now the next one is n equal to 3 and L equal to 1. In this case, I'll take the value of n as it is and the value of L equal to 1, which will represent p orbitals, right? The next one is n equal to 4, L equal to 2. In this case, I'll take the value of n as it is, that is 4, and the value of L equal to 2, which will represent d orbitals. Last one is n equal to 4, L equal to 3. So surely I'll take the value of n as it is and the value of L equal to 3. That means it will represent f orbitals.